Hello everyone, I am Himasati Sharma and students we are discussing the chapter called Crop Production and Management for class 8th. We have already discussed the introduction and the classification of crops. So today we will be discussing the basic practices of crop production or agriculture practices. For the cultivation of crops, several activities are required to be undertaken by the farmers over a period of time, and these are referred as agriculture practices. So agriculture practices are the activities which are undertaken by the farmers so that a crop can be cultivated. The major agriculture practices involved in a cultivation of crop are: first, preparation of soil; second, selection and sowing of seeds; addition of manures and fertilizers; irrigation; protection from weed and pests; harvesting and storage. So, whenever a crop is cultivated, this is the series or this is the serial in which a crop is cultivated. First of all, we have to prepare the soil. After that, we have to select the seeds and we have to sow the seeds. After the seeds are converted into seedlings, we need to add manure and fertilizer to the soil to replenish their nutrients. We need to irrigate to provide it water. We need to protect the crop from weeds and pests so that we have a significant quantity of crop with us. Once the crop is ripened or mature, we need to harvest it, and once the crop is harvested, it need to be stored in a proper way so that it can be consumed throughout the year. First, we'll discuss preparation of soil. One of the most important tasks in agriculture is to turn the soil and loosen it. You must have observed a farmer plowing with a tractor or with bullocks or ox. What he is doing, he is trying to loosen the soil and he is turning the soil. So the loose soil is required because it allows the roots of the crop to penetrate, and once the soil is loose, it is also possible for the roots to breathe easily even when they go deep inside the soil. So here, therefore, the loosening of soil is very important as it allows the roots, better penetration of roots and breathing of roots. Loosening of soil also enables fertilizers to mix uniformly with the soil, and the loosened soil also help in the growth of helpful insects like earthworms and microbes which are present in the soil and which are beneficial for the crops. So first step of preparation of soil is tilling or plowing. So tilling or plowing is the process of loosening and turning of soil. The loosening and turning is done by using a plow, and the plow is made up of wood or iron. If the soil is very dry, we may require to water it before plowing so that soil becomes soft and plowing becomes easier. Crumbs. What are the crumbs? Crumbs are the big pieces or big chunks of soil which are found in the plowed field. It is necessary to break these crumbs and level the field. The field is leveled by using a leveler so that this leveler is used for sowing as well as for irrigation purposes. Now we'll discuss about agriculture implements. So agriculture implements are the tools which help in agriculture and they are very necessary for agriculture. Example of agriculture implements are plow, hoe, seed drill and cultivator. First of all, we'll discuss plow. Plow is made up of wood and drawn by a pair of bulls or any other animals. It is used for tilling, that means loosening and turning of soil, adding fertilizers and removing weeds, etc. Now what are the parts of a plow? Plowshare, which is a strong triangular iron step, plow shaft, which is long log of wood, and beam, which is a stand which is placed on animal's neck. So here you can see these are the parts of the plow. This is plow shaft, this is plowshare, and this is the beam which is placed on the neck of the animals. So in detail you can see the plow here. And this is how an farmer uses animals and plow to plow the soil. Now this is leveler. Here you can see this is handle, this is bamboo pole, this is rope, and this is wooden plank, which actually is breaking the big chunks of soil, which is called crumbs. And this is the leveler, which is used with the tractor. Hoe is a tool which is used for loosening the soil. This is also a tool which is used manually for loosening of soil. It is made up of wood or iron. A strong iron plate is attached to the long rod, which acts like a blade and help to loosen the soil. It is also pulled by animals. So here you can see this is the diagram of a hoe. This is rod, this is beam which will put on animal's neck. This is handle, this is grip, and this is bent plate which will be used, which will go inside the soil and which will loosen the soil. Next is cultivator. Cultivator is a tool which is used for plowing. These cultivators can be manual also and can also be tractor driven. Tractor driven cultivators are fast because it is run by a machine. Therefore, it saves time and human labor. So here in this picture you can see cultivator which is tractor driven, and this is how a cultivator looks like. So in our next lecture we will be discussing sowing. Thank you.